Hey guys, what's up? I'm Andreas Backerud, and today it's my pleasure to show you guys the brand new Audi A1. And who knows, maybe in the future my rallycross car will look similar. I think the new design looks more sporty and masculine than ever before. It's pretty cool. The very first thing I saw on the new A1 were the 3 slits taken straight out from the iconic rally legend from 1984. The designers have made sharp edges all around the car, which you can see in the grille, also in the headlamps, going from the bonnet and down again to the slits. I must say, I like it. The rear end of the car is one of my favorite things about it. You have this line going over the rear lights, making the lights look really angry. The all-new A1 is both longer but also wider. I think it's pretty cool that Audi keeps the livery simple with 2 lines going through the whole side of the car. Also a very sexy wing. You can choose different colors. In this case, yellow and black roof. First thing I see when I jump in the car is that I bring the sportiness also into the cockpit together with me. Lots of colors, cool dashboard, sporty dashboard, and my favorite thing, the F1 gearing. Handbrake, so that even I can do downhill with it. Colorful panels facing towards you with a big screen. I also see we have a LED light in small details all around the dashboard. I have 30 different choices. Right now it's red. I would like to choose to blue, which is my favorite color, but I prefer in this car to have it in red. A new feature is also that we have wireless charging for your smartphones, and now I'm gonna try and call my boss. Please call Matthias Ekström.
I'm calling Ekström, my boss, Matthias now.
Hello.
Hi boss, you won't imagine, but I sit in what could be our future car in the FIA World Rallycross Championship.
What's that?
It's a brand new Audi A1. It looks powerful, it looks sporty, and I think you will like it.
That's good. Take care of the A1.
Go hard or go home. Ciao. I'm 180 tall, more than enough room. But I'm not a backseat driver, I'll leave you to it. I think it's pretty cool that Audi goes 34 years back in time and brings back alive different car elements. It looks sporty, almost like a race car, just almost.